Hi everyone, I'm Mark from Anton Saws. This is our showroom. We have many machines on show, as from the small conventional pull down circular saw to our band sawing machines in manual, semi-automatic mode and automatic machines, as you can see in the far back corner here. From a 250 diameter or 225 diameter, 250, 300, 350 diameter up to 100mm box section capacity, to an aluminium machine for aluminium extrusion with a TCT blade, through to the semi-automatic pivot machines, controlled also by foot control if required. 420 and 650 family of machines, which is structural steels with in-feed, out-feed tables and feeders and digital displays. Automatic machines with feeders run on a ball screw, they're no longer hydraulic, through to the general conventional semi-automatic manual pull down bandsaw. If you want to come and take a visit, please feel free to come and see us. We can show you the machines in motion with demos. We can discuss all of your needs through one of our guys that are here. Alternatively, you can give us a call on 01264 850 490, or you can visit our website, which is www.antonsaws.co.uk. Many thanks. Cheers, bye.